Shovelhead 8, and welcome to Yard Sale Saturday. As you can see from outside, it's going to hold our show and tell inside because it's raining. But we beat the rain this morning. The boys and I went out for a walk and did the yard sales, and we're all set. Now the little birds are, I filled the feeder. They're in here and on the ground, staying out of the rain, so they're pretty happy. But there's some diehards over here in the other feeder in the rain, but that's okay. So let's get started because we got lots of stuff. Anyway, come on, move down a little bit. You have to start somewhere, so let's start at the beginning. So we went to a couple yard sales today, and then we had gone to the thrift shop the other day, so we'll just show you random and we'll figure out where we got to. Anyways, this was the yard sale item. A nice long shoehorn and a boot jack. So that'll come in handy for somebody. And here for Steve, and the quantum mechanic is probably the ultimate gut wrench. So this, I hinted on this the other day, yesterday actually, in the coffee challenge. It has a pair of scissors here. So let's get closer up. Pair of scissors there, which we saw yesterday. Get them out of the way because we don't need them. And from the outside it doesn't look like much, but there we go. We got some sort of piercer thing here. And a screwdriver. And a cap lifter. Imagine this is to open cans somehow. But here comes the real trick. A fork, a spoon, and a knife. So that looks, that's not bad. I like it. So anyways, let's cut to something else. Okay, anything you need a closer look at, just let me know. Come on, Gardo, move over here. There. So, like I said, we went to a thrift store and a couple yard sales. So we'll go thrift store first, I think. Did some camping stuff. So it's a little pot for a nice cup. And it's got Donna's name written all over it, eh? Couple of grill baskets. Like I needed another one. These are pretty heavy duty. And adjustable too. And strange enough, in a thrift shop, they can't cook that. $5.50. And it doesn't have the cups, but I've got 4 plates. Little pot with a lid. Pot no lid. Some other dishes here. Imagine these are like soup bowls or whatever. And the hook thing for on the handle on the sides of these pots. And thing to make this into a frame. So let's get rid of this stuff. And what else did we get at the thrift store? Oh, this is last week's yard sale, along with that gut wrench multi-tool thing. That was used as the teapot. You can tell from the color and deposit. I scrubbed it. I got a lot off. It probably had 10,000 pots of seafood in it. So, anyways, that looked nice enough. What else we got? Little collectibles. Cow salt and pepper. They even have nose rings. Might be a girl I knew once. So what else we got? Oh, yard sale stuff. Oh, there's more stuff on the floor. There's a lot of free stuff at the one that she was cleaning out. So I got a walking stick from 2005, and it's not bad. It'd be good for walking the dogs. Some heat shrink tubing, big stuff. That was free. Water jug free. This I had to pay $1. I'm hard on him. This is Campbell's Alphabet Dice Game, and it's in a soup bag. Complete, never been opened. Fishing rod holder, which I sort of need. What else do we get good? A little water bottle, single wall. Stainless steel. Good enough for something. Ice water. Some paint trays. And can openers. And rollers. Cheesecloth, which you never seem to have. A bunch of sandpaper, which isn't cheap. And this was in the free stuff. Oh, stir stick. Alright. And this, I believe, is a screwdriver, electric screwdriver of some sort. But anyways, it'll go back in the box. And there's a couple, whatever these are. More sandpaper. 24 sheets. And then I bought some bits and pieces there too. The vice grips and the punch. That's about it for there. So we're going to shut off and restart because this stupid camera shuts off. We get a little more room here. Oh, low batteries. Okay, we're hot and running again. Bike. And then as I was going I was in the grocery store, the guy stopped me and says, "Hey, you're the guy that wanted coffee pots." And he says, "I got some for you." He says, "Follow me to my house. You'll attract these parasites yourself." So anyways, brand new Stokes Gourmet Aroma coffee press. Plus a little 1 cupper. Plus this steamer box or smoker box or whatever it is. I really not sure either was here what it is. Somebody will tell me. Oh, that's for something else. That's mail, we don't need that. And he had a trail cam, but I give him a few bucks for this stuff. For this carding trail cam. thriftcam.net. Okay, I might as well have to figure this out. So it's got instructions. Quick start guide. Anyways, all this stuff has to be worth more than I can even for cards. Don't be jealous, see? A bunch of matches. So a bunch of book matches, which, believe it or not, I didn't have any. And a whole bunch of safety matches. And boxes and boxes and boxes. What are these ones? Safety pocket matches. Safety matches. Safety matches. Redbirds, these are striped anywhere. These are safety matches. But still, I did not pay much. Like I said, I give them a few bucks for all this stuff, and I did okay. That box there is $6 or $7. So. Well, on to the next pile of goodies. We just had a female cardinal at the little bird feeder. She got pushed out by the little birds. Life can be hard sometimes. Okay, so let's finish off what we got. This. And we got a radio alarm clock that appears to run on USB of some sort. So anyways, we'll look at the instructions and figure that out. It's brand new for $5. A Tim Hortons fancy mug, which I probably won't be able to open the box because I failed at kindergarten. Anyways, there it is. Fancy Tim Hortons. And this is Snowball Battle for indoor. So indoor snowballs that you can throw at each other. So it should be fun at work. And this is another vintage game. Okay, bud. There we go. Brand new in the box, still taped and sealed. One of them run the maze place. And I know I only spent $15 for it, so I didn't pay very much for this. But anyways, we can get down to well, I guess you could call them the anchor items. So, cast iron. It says Ramey Oliver, whoever that is. And it's used a bit. The woman was baker. And, but it's wasn't worth a lot. It's worth a lot more than the $5 I paid for it. And I didn't beat her down on the price, so I just took it. And here, from the nearly new shop, is a dough bowl, which I could not pass up. It's stamped Bart also made, or furry made something or other, made in Canada, $5. I'll get some food grade mineral oil or something, get it on there, or cutting board oil, fix her up. And that's pretty well everything I got. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to look a closer look at anything, just let me know and we'll do a close-up. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll hopefully see you next week with more good stuff. On the other side of the feeder, you can see his head, part his tail, and part of his body. But that's a cardinal or a cedar waxwing. If it's a cedar waxwing, it's another new one. And I'd even piled these up and forgot about them. But when somebody I know stopped me and asked me if I wanted some wool blankets, so there's a couple wool blankets. Yarn binding, and there's another one, yarn binding. It does have a label on it. Nice colors, hey? So anyways, that's the end of it. There's my Harper, my little Jonah, and little Timmy somewhere, wherever he is.